Welcome back to the Kaboom compound. Guy in the compound, something like that. What do? We kaboom. We're gonna kaboom some barrels. I'm not sure. We're probably gonna see the 416 video first. We did some kabooms. It's gonna be a very interesting video, so you should watch it. So now we have a couple of barrels left. This guy right here has water up to here. So I'm not gonna bother shooting them with the pistol rounds, but I'm gonna shoot them with the rifle rounds. Starting with a few rounds. We're gonna start with the 5.56, and then we're gonna move to 300 blackout, 7.62 by 39, the 308, then an 8mm. Hopefully we're gonna have enough water to shoot. So as I told you, this first one has a water up to here, so we're gonna start with this guy, and then we're gonna move up to this guy, which is completely full, up to right here, which I'm gonna start shooting from here, so if the water goes down, we still have water to shoot. Enough talking, and let's start kabooming. And you know what? We have America here. Beautiful AR-15, and this guy right there, he's in love with it. So am I, and so millions of Americans. Already, time for a kaboom. Eyes and ears, your glasses. Glasses are like, this looks better. Alright, go ahead and kaboom it, see what you do. Get close, very close. Closer, closer. And then you gotta be very straight with the barrel, if you know what I mean. Be straight up. Let me get straight too.
Ready?
Ready!
Kaboom!
Woohoo! Alright, so I told you very close to that barrel right there. So 5.56 went into the water, did not come out. Oh, mamma mia! Alright, so now we're gonna step it out to 300 blackout. See what that blackout does. Well, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna go.
Not gonna come out.
Alright, so it is time for a 300 blackout right there. I'm not sure what the grain is on this one, but I'm gonna check the box, and I'm gonna post it on the video. Another United States of America AR-15, but this one takes the 300 blackout. You ready?
Yeah.
Eyes and ears. Locked and loaded. I'm using a Stag Arm AR-15, which used to be a 5.56, but I changed the barrel and the gas tube. Now it's a 300 blackout. All right. This is how we're gonna aim it. Kaboom! 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 This is how you shoot it. See how close I am to the hole? No way that it came out.
Come out.
No way. There is no... Man, I have tested this 300 blackout with the 5.56 many times. This surprised me.
I would say I'll try one more time with 5.56.
Your feeling got hurt. It is what it is. It happened. I'm not gonna try it. Damn.
That's not possible.
I don't think it came out though. Up close. I don't think it came out. It just, the pressure, I mean, it hit the wall. 5.56 didn't. Maybe no. God damn, that was surprising.
That's not possible.
It is what it is. The videos in Kaboom compound sometimes get interesting and surprising. But we're gonna have to move on. The next one will be a 7.62 by 39. It's time for this beautiful AK-47, or used to be beautiful, until California added some stupid... There you go. candies. 7.62 by 39. That's what we're gonna use. Into the hole. Ready to roll. Safety on. You wanna go with the AK-47? You shot the 5.56. I shot the 300 blackout. It's time for you to shoot the 7.62 by 39. Let's see what he does with the 7.62 by 39. You wanna ask me if I'm ready? Eyes and ears. Go close. There we go. Now, hold on a second. Let me see if the GoPro is rolling. Good to go.
Ready?
Ready.
Kaboom!
Safety's on. Make sure to hit it on the part that there's water in there.
Kaboom!
Oh, jeez! Clear that thing out. There we go. It went out.
Oh,
It did. Oh, sideways. Someone's being here. Sideways.
right there.
You're right there. So I think we're kind of done with this barrel, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're done with this barrel. So 5.56 didn't go through. 300 blackout did. 7.62 by 39 also did. But you know what? I'm not gonna let America down. I'm gonna shoot this brand new barrel with the 5.56 again.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got happy. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and give America one more time. Oh, you know what? No, this is not full. This is Full Metal Jacket again. Same thing. He was telling me to shoot the green tip. Like, no, it has to be fair. 5.56 again. We are loaded. Maybe it's the arms. You didn't have the arms to shoot. Actually, you shot the 7.62 and went through. It could be some physical difference about the amount of the water that it was in there. Then we started shooting with the 5.56, but that thing is full right now, so I don't know. Did I roll the GoPro? And then maybe you shot it in an angle or something? Because if you shoot it straight, the distance that the bullet has to travel in the water, it's going to be shorter comparing to the one that if you shoot it in an angle.
Yeah, maybe. Hopefully.
All right. I'm going to try to shoot it. Maybe the thickness too. I don't know. I'm going to try to shoot it somewhere around here, see what happens. It's time for a kaboom! 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 Moment of silence. We're not going to continue talking. I really wanted this guy to go through. It's actually a good time to compare the green tip.
Yeah.
He's got up. All right, let's go ahead and shoot the green tip as well. Before we shoot it with the green tip, come close. Go to the hole. Right there. So that's the you see what it did right here, dude. Look. The pressure from the water and speed. No mass. We don't have mass on 5.56, but that's the pressure. He's trying to get it on all angle. I'm telling you, he loves 5.56. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot it with the green tip as well to see if it makes any difference. We'll move on to 308 and an 8mm, and we're gonna wrap it up. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and use a green tip. Since I'm about 90% sure, or I would say 90% sure that this one will go through, I'm gonna give it to him to shoot it because he's not gonna sleep tonight unless a 5.56 goes through that barrel.
Okay.
This one will go through. If not, this guy's not gonna sleep tonight.
Close enough?
Shoot it straight, yeah. You wanna put it inside it?
Ready?
I'm ready.
Kaboom!
God damn it, did it. Look at it. That was the green tip right there on the bottom, and it did not come through. God damn. Hold on a second. I really wanted that green tip to go through, but it didn't. It is what it is. Don't get disappointed. Come to the picture. He's about to cry. Don't cry. It's all right. It's all right. Green tip might not go through a barrel of water, but green tip can do a lot of damage in different situations. So don't get disappointed. Now it's time to move on to a 308 and see what the 308 does. All right, so it's time for a 308. We're gonna use this beautiful bolt action 783 Remington. We are loaded, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna go through right through it. There's no way that it's stopping. It's time for a kaboom! Woo! Woo, we are clear.
Nothing.
Look right here. Come. Man, what the hell? Holy moly, come here.
Oh.
Look. The expansion of the barrel. Holy. Dude, what the hell is happening, man? 762 and 300 blackout, they made it through that one. And 308 can't make it through this one? I think there's something going on with the pressure of the water. If it's half full, all full, I have no idea. I'm not like, even though I'm reading those books that it says it didn't say anything about physics. All right, so science, physics, you scientists and physicians. I'm pretty sure you guys know why, but I don't right now. So I'm kind of confused. I'm not talking about the 416 since you have to go watch the 416 video, but about like goddamn, like 5.56. We shot this twice with the green tip full metal jacket, nothing happened, that one didn't go through. 300 blackout, which usually does way less damage than what 5.56 does, went through it, or actually, or at least like damaged the back so the water was going through. 7.62 went right through. What was the one on the bottom that we shot? Oh, the bottom one, never mind. We're not talking about the one. Oh, actually, we shot it twice. Okay, never mind. So 7.62 by 39 and blackout made it through that one. 5.56 didn't. We shot at this one with 5.56 twice. None of them went through, even though one of them was a green tip. 308, which I was pretty sure it will go through, it didn't. So we have one last round, which is called kind of a big boy. It is an 8mm going out of a bolt action Mauser, which same Kar 98, something like that. This is just a beauty. Full metal jacket, 8mm. This is a Greek military round, so I'm not sure how many grain that is. This one, I'm telling you, 100% it's going through. There is no way that it's stopping. Ah, kaboom! Kaboom! And kaboom! Hold on, let me clear it out. We are clear.
Nothing.
What the hell?
You know what?
What the hell? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back. This might be a long video, but I gotta do this. The only rifle rounds that made it through the first barrel were the 300 blackout on 7.62 by 39. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot those two on this barrel to see what happens.
Yes.
7.62 by 39 out of this AK-47. Let's see what happens. Kaboom! Kaboom! And kaboom! It didn't go through.
It goes actually.
Go through. Oh! Come on, man! This is just BS, man. This is some bullshit, man. This barrel video was some bullshit video. Thank you for watching. I will see you the next kaboom. Kaboom! I got so emotional I forgot to tell you about the 12 gauge. What a beautiful hose, if you know what I mean. Obviously nothing right there. This was a very confusing video. Seriously, like 7.62 on both barrels went through, but thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you.